Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'd like for you to give this a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video because this is going with our Thanksgiving series. And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I love to welcome you. Okay, so we're going to be making barbecue goat meat. Barbecue goat meat. We're going to be cooking it in the pressure cooker. And so let's season it up and get it started, shall we? Great. Thanks. Okay. So I have around 2 pounds of goat meat. Let's season it up. I'm going to be using some granulated garlic. Granulated onion. Some adobo. Black pepper. Okay, we're going to mix that up. And this is what goat meat looks like. It almost reminds you of beef. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. I want to season that one more time with the same seasonings. Okay, so we're going to do adobo again. Black pepper again. Garlic. And onion. Okay, so this is my insert for my pressure cooker. Let's put it in. Okay. This is a 3-ounce glass of water. I'm going to put that in. Okay. And I just want to stir that up. Okay, so I'm going to put that on the pressure cooker. I'm going to turn the camera towards the pressure cooker. 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to put the insert in. I'm going to put the cover on. Let's set the timer. I want to go up to about 45 minutes. Okay, once the pressure builds up, the cooking time will start. Okay, I was asked to do a review on the pressure cooker again. I will do that soon. Okay, so we're gonna let that cook. let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is series. Series. So you know I've been doing my Thanksgiving series now for about 3 weeks. So let's talk about a series in your life. Well, life series could be things that continuously go on in your life. Like, for instance, let's say you go on the vacation every year to the same place. Maybe you have a resort or a summer home or something, and you go there every year. So if you look back over time, after each year, after year, after year, it could be a series, right? You could talk about what you did this year and the year before that and the year before that. Well, life is like that. It's like a bunch of series. And you're going through and you're living through these series. And you really hope that the series is the same. But it really never is the same, is it? So when I do the series for Thanksgiving, I'm saying to you, think outside the box. Don't think about just the traditional food because, you know, you cook those same foods every year. I'm saying incorporate other foods with those traditional foods or switch it up so that you can have a new series to look back on. The word of the day, series. Series could be the same or it could be different. You never know. Series. That's the word of the day. Okay. Our goat meat is out the pressure cooker. Alright, so now we're going to put some Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce on it. It's honey barbecue sauce made by Sweet Baby Ray. Okay, so all I'm going to do is put the goat meat in the barbecue sauce on all sides. And then I'm going to actually brown this in the microwave. You see it's so tender? That's what that pressure cooker do. Oh, this ought to be good. I already took all the bones off of the goat meat. It fell off anyway, most of it, in the pressure cooker. You know, the pressure cooker is one tool that I love. It gets meat so tender, really tender. Okay. I'm gonna put some more on the top. That's what we're looking like. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave on 3 minutes. Okay. Let me give you a word. Okay guys, here's our barbecue goat. We're gonna call it barbecue goat appetizers for Thanksgiving. I think this would be a great appetizer. Something they can just pick up with a fork. Be great, right? Okay, so let me taste. I would put that on. I would have some Ritz crackers around a plate with the barbecue goat meat in the middle and some cheese around the Ritz crackers. Can you picture that? Some Ritz crackers, some cheese, and then the barbecue goat meat in the middle. Oh my, 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 my. Now that would be awesome, because the cheese is going to give you a toned down taste. The barbecue sauce is definitely a taste all within itself, and the Ritz crackers is just gonna tone it all in. Oh, we're gonna call this appetizer. Why not? Okay, barbecue goat appetizer. I love it. For your Thanksgiving meal. This is for the Thanksgiving series. Okay, share the video. Everybody wants to know how to make some different dishes. And if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can boil the goat meat in a pot. It's going to take you about an hour or so to get it nice and tender. But when it's tender, it's so good. Okay, love you, love you, love you, love you. Thanks for hanging around. Thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Talk to you.